You know what a Harley Quinn is? A Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
It also meant that we could explore a side of Gotham that people haven't really seen before. It doesn't look like the versions of Gotham other filmmakers have portrayed in the past. It's got a Harley perspective on it, so it's poppy, but it's grimy, and it's colourful, and it's kind of down in the gutters in the back alleyways, as opposed to in the Manhattan version of Bruce Wayne's Gotham. So it's just something different and fun, and very much inspired by 80s in New York, really.
The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
With you? You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big cosmos. Harley, focus.
Okay, all the key characters are very different personality-wise, but we're kind of, the common denominator is that they're all emancipating themselves from something, whether it's a mentality, whether it's a system that they don't believe in, or whether it's a bad relationship. And that's kind of the unifying theme between all the characters, that also all their journeys of emancipation is exactly what brings them together in the end.
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn!
Woo! Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.